Hi friends, Miss Scarborough here for your daily handwriting lesson again. Today we are doing uppercase S on page 52. Uppercase S. Alright, this one has one stroke, so we are not going to lift our pencil at all during this writing. Okay, and also you'll notice that the S is tall. It touches both the blue line and the red line. So we're going to take up the whole space in those writing lines. Make sure that you're sitting bottom to bottom, back to back. You have a correct pencil grip, and your hand is resting on the book. All right, let's start with this one right here. Curve left, curve down, curve left. One stroke. I never lift my pencil. Curve left, curve down, curve left. Curve left, curve down, curve left. All right, you're going to finish the top row, and the second row you're going to try doing it yourself. You'll notice that the dot is a little bit lower than the blue line. Okay, so it wants you to go up to the blue line. So you're going to curve left up to the blue line, down to the dotted line. That's where you kind of start curving back the other way, and then cross the red line and up just a little bit. Okay, up to the blue line, down to the dotted line, down to the red. So you kind of switch directions right in the middle right there. See how I'm kind of going back the other way? I'm going to go up to the blue line, down to the dotted line, down to the red. Okay? Make sure that you're not using this dot to just start your S like that. Okay? It wants you to go all the way up to the blue line. So you've got to curve up, then come back down and come all the way down. Okay, it shouldn't just be like a little streamer looking thing. You need to have full, almost like half circles. So you're going to do this whole row by yourself and this whole row by yourself. It says find the letter S in the pictures. How many did you find? You'll notice that there's little S's hidden in the pictures. You're going to count how many you can find all together and write the number right here in the box. At the bottom, it says, write the uppercase S to complete the sentence. Now there's no dot here for me, so I have to remember that it kind of starts just a little bit below that blue line. So I'm going to go up, curve, down. And I'm also going to finish tracing the rest of my letters. I'm going to go all the way down and finish. Okay, you can check up, are your letters the correct size? Yes or no? Circle your best S. Put an X on the one that maybe you need to try a little bit better the next time. When you're done, take a picture and post it to your seesaw so you can show your teacher. Have fun!